The Starlink is online. Leisure travel van. It is a leisure travel van, and we're gonna install the Starlink for this one. Now we're gonna use because of this place it showed the Starlight dish pre-wired, but I cannot find that wire. So right now I'm gonna use the antenna from the top, which you can see here. There's an antenna wire here, goes on the roof. It is about with the skylight is a 10-inch to here and 16-inch here. So the hole is up on top of this place. We open that hole, find this antenna wire, and using this wire to fish the starlink power wire down here. And then we're gonna use the back wall here down to here to get to the 12-volt power supply. Okay, yeah, let's do it. Let's see, yeah. Okay, got it. Okay, here's the Starlink wire here. All right. Okay, here's the Starlink wire. We just cut this original wire. The original one just cut into 2 pieces, and we're not using this anymore. Cut in 2 pieces, and we got a wire. And inside the wire is the negative is the circle outside, and the positive is inside. Okay, you can see from here, the outside is the negative and the inside is the positive. So we need more. Okay, and yeah, this is the negative. We connect together, and this is the power source. This is the Starlink, and we use some kind of switch like this to connect it. You know, when I turn it on, we will have a small light here to let us know the system is on.